Hey, Mark Rice here. This will be so important if you want to create an RPG game with a flat design character, and it's so easy. And if you want to be master of the flat design and download our 500 illustrations, check out gigantic.store. Okay, so first I will create the background, and it will be gray. So I will pick the gray color and draw a rectangle. Okay, I will increase the size and lock the background. But this shape will be in the separate layer, so hit F7 on the keyboard, and here lock the layer and create a new one for the character, like this. Hit F7 again, zoom it, and I'm ready to start. So first I will pick up the skin color and the rectangle tool. It means that I will create the basic shape of the face, or of the head in this case. Something like this. It will be rounded and it's strange a bit, but don't worry, for the game I love to create strange characters. Now I will create one more rectangle. It will be black. Okay, so first I will show you how to create a small scientist from front side. Then I will use that side and create from that left side, back side and right side. Okay, it will be very easy and very useful. It means that you can use it for RPG games and platformers as well. Without further ado, let's start. Okay, so this will be scientist, and for that I need green color, green like a poison. Okay, I will change this color, and here I need a reflection, and for that I will use white rectangle. So, create the white rectangle, move it here, then copy this green part, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, select it together with the white part, the white, ungroup, delete this one and group it. Okay, beautiful, move it here. Not bad. Okay, here I will draw the ears. Very simple, just with big rectangle. Okay, hop, send to back. Beautiful, maybe it can be darker a bit, I will try. Yes, it's cool. Here I will create the shadow of the face, so I will copy this shape, move it here, copy it one more time, and use minus front tool. Okay, small mouth. Haha, it's very cute. So I just finished the head, and that's it. As you can see, it's very simple, but when you change the size for the game, it will be very recognizable. And this is the purpose of the game character. Okay, beautiful. Here I'll create a small body, and I will use orange color for it. Make these corners round, and maybe I can change size. Come on, man, it's so cute. Okay, here I will create the black part of the body. Something like this. And a few cool green parts. You will see and you will like it. What's going on here? Okay. If you have a problem like this one, just increase the size of the shapes and your problem will be solved. So here I will need one green rectangle. It will be a round rectangle. It will be green because I need the green rectangle and black outline. Zip, zip. Okay, it will be dark. Now go here into path and create the shape from the stroke. Okay, so I just isolated the shapes because I need to create the reflection for this shape as well. And like with sunglasses, I will do that with the white rectangle. I need to change this. Okay, copy the shape. Select copied shape together with the white part and use the white. Ungroup the shapes and delete everything except this part here. So let me check. Okay, not bad, I like it. I will copy it. Okay, let me check. Not bad. I will do that one more time. Group the shapes. Okay, so now the arm, and it will be very simple, just one rectangle. So I will use the skin color for it and change this corner and this one as well. Stop. Okay. Move it here and send to back. Send to back. And copy it, reflect it. And move here the copied shape. Okay. So I can improve the shape of the arm. Maybe I can add more detail, but for this game it will be unnecessary. It will be very simple because I have a big head and I don't need a lot of details for these parts. Okay, group these shapes, group it together and group the arms. Okay, it's cute. Not bad. Maybe I can add a shadow here. We will see. Okay. Copy the shape. This part will be darker, so I will change color a bit. Let me check. Maybe it can be red. Just a little bit. Okay, I think that it's okay for now. And here I will draw a shadow. It will be darker than the background just a little bit. Send to back. And for the back side of the character I will need some kind of handbag. And that handbag will be very special with an antenna, so I will draw that antenna here. Okay, it will be white, and at the top of the antenna I will create this circle, the main part of it. Okay, not bad. I just created the front side of the character. Now I'll show you how to create the left side or the right side. So first I will copy it. Ungroup all part of the head and move this part here, this part on the opposite side. Okay, here I will move these parts and the mouth as well. So the center of the mouth and the center of this part of the glasses needs to be the same. I will move the ears. Okay, cool. Ungroup the arms. This one will be in the front. So move it here. And here I can change the angle a bit. Just top left corner. Okay. This arm will be darker and in the background. So send to back and move it here. Ungroup the legs as well. Okay, this one will be darker because it's in the background. I'll move it here a bit. Okay, let me check now. And maybe here I will add one part of the handbag. It will be black and this corner will be rounded. As you can see, it's very simple, but it will be perfect for the animation. If you want to create a very effective and very simple animation for the game, this character will be perfect for that. Look at this. It's a beautiful character. And you can use it for the platformer or for the RPG as well. If you want to download this character, you can download it from Gigantic.store, or you can subscribe for the magic pack and use all my illustrations. a lot of illustration for the game, for the advertising, and believe me, with that pack you will got a lot of satisfied clients. Okay, now I can use this left side for the right as well, so move it here and just reflect it. Oh man, I love it. And for the back side I will use this character, so select all the shapes, hold Alt then Shift and move it here. So here I will create a few different things. First I will ungroup all and delete this part of the glasses. Just delete it. I don't need the mount on the back side of the head, so I will delete this part as well and bring to front the antenna. So bring to front, and everything what I need to do here is that magic backpack. So for that I will create the rectangle or the square. Okay, maybe the rectangle will be better for this. These corners will be round, something like this. Okay, then I will copy it, just hold Alt and move it here. I will use gray color for it and send to back. Okay, group the shapes, move it here, bring to front, change the size, and here I can change the corners as well. Okay, one more green part here, and I will create the reflection with the white part as well. So create a rectangle. Okay, it will be white, copy the green part, select it together, the white. So now I will group these shapes, group, group, group. Okay. And basically that's it. As I said before, you can draw it or you can download it from the link below and use it for your commercial or private projects as well. Okay, and if you want to go a few steps further and learn even more, or just hang out with me on a daily basis, become part of this incredible list here. You will be able to watch my exclusive video tutorials and become part of the private community. This will be game changer for you if you are serious about your creative future. So take action right now and do something good for you and your family. And remember, stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Peace.